Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to make a background with chalk or marker effect on PowerPoint, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. We have PowerPoint here. You can insert a picture by going to the Insert tab, clicking on Picture and inserting the picture from either of these sources. I have already picked up a picture here. After this, click on this picture and then the picture format tab will appear. If this picture is not selected, in that case all of these options will be grayed out, so you have to click on this. Then click on artistic effects. The second effect would read as marker and it is the same as the chalk effect. Click on it and your picture will be in the marker or chalk effect. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.